Baik, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to Counseling with me on the theme of mental health awareness during the COVID-19. First of all, okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Dani Kurniawan. I am your diploma student majoring in nursing, Jember University Lumajang Campus. I am here to provide information to all students about how we can take our mental health. In this counseling in it about 10 minutes. So please comparative and enjoy this counseling. Okay, let's get started for the first. Next. Okay, what is the definition of mental health? Mental health is defines the condition of an individual who is in state of well-being, able to recognize is our potential, able to fight everyday pressure, and able to contribute to her social environment. World Health Organization 2015. Next, stress during pandemic. According to World Health Organization 2019, stress that arises during the COVID-19 pandemic can be number one, fear and anxiety about personal healthy and healthy other lover owners. Number two, change in sleep and or eating patterns. Number three, difficulty and sleeping and contraction. Number five, aggravating infectious condition of someone for this a history of a chronic illness and or bacterial disorders. Number five, using drugs. Next, suffering. In a process of suffering in a mental world that is scared of independently, this inner world can cause by many things. For example, childhood trauma, disappointing, failure, and exit about something until other sadness that can trigger stress or depression. Next. Then we do keep mental healthy. Number one, mindfulness. Number two, expressive writing. Number three, guided imagery. Number four, self-talk. Next. Okay, mindfulness. Mindfulness is the state in which the mind, our feeling, and our body being in the moment, no wandering into the past of the future and non-jungle mental. With image, close your eyes, then image something fun with various modalities such visual, auditory, and kinesthetic to have enhance imagination. They speak this converse short term, but with image can be first and deep psychology overcoming exit access. Self-talk, talk yourself with positive words. Net is know the emotion then to be influenced by your mind, which is mean we are very dependent of how and often important for repair were the content of the main because positive talk will improve emotional quality and feeling. Expressive writing reflect your thoughts and the feeling you're experiencing during the pandemic in to return from. Next, spiritual is approach. Understand the thing we can control and thing to the not we can control. Understand also there is a amity access who is control of all things. By understanding this, our health will become, we are not kept down with the best preventive measures. Next, spiritual approach. Increased spiritual can be applied with journal writing gratitude. Whether is delicious, healthy so far, delicious for home, for enjoy together with family, because not all people get preferred, and during the pandemic, important for us for use to remain grateful, increase patient thought. As advances, the disease will still make a effort best to keep self and other for protect from virus COVID-19. Next, be wise in filtering information of news about COVID-19. Information the variable, limit time in reading news. Not all information from various success we have to know. Filter information before sharing. Next, applying a clean and healthy pattern. Number one, wash your hands. Number two, wearing masks. Number three, ensure adequate nutrition intake and regular tests, regular in exercise, positive thinking in the face of COVID-19, stay connected of social support. Next, okay, stay productive and care. Mental healthy. One of the characteristics of mental healthy individual is being able to work productively and assertively in accordance with his field of work, family, community, and among friends. During the pandemics, the government policy to work from home during the COVID-19 pandemic can be interpreted for positively that productivity is not measured by we work, but how much benefit we can profit for others. Next, okay, take care of other, care for other. It is important for all you for us to stop and stigma of being strong and mental healthy social together. It's time for community and medical personnel to care for other by increased empathy, because COVID-19 suffers will only end is there is collective awareness to complete with procedure during the pandemic and take care of other. Okay, thank you. Okay, is there anything you want to ask from explanation that has been delivered?
Excuse me, I want to ask.
Okay.
How do students maintain mental health during this COVID-19 pandemic?
Okay, thank you for the question. Now, okay. Number one in consumption in nutrition food. Food is important for the body. Number one, do physical activity. Number three, visually sorting information. Number four, communication with family and friends.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Any more question?
Excuse me. We are mental health issue important.
Okay, thank you for question. According the CDC, mental healthy includes emotional, psychological, and social well-being. This will affect the way in person thinks, feel, and acts. Mental healthy also help determine who a person handles stress, relates to other, and makes a healthy choice.
Okay, thank you.
Any more question?
Excuse me, why is healthy important to all of us? Why is healthy important to all of us?
Okay, good question. Healthy is very important for all human beings because without good healthy, every human being will fit in this school to carry our day-to-day activity. Healthy is a state of well-being, mental and social that enables everyone to live productively, social and economic. Limit raised from healthy limit according to the most recent World Healthy Organization is that healthy in perfect state, whether physical, mental, or social, and not only free from disease of disability. Basically, healthy includes three aspects, namely physical, mental, and social.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, is there no question? I just closed the counseling this morning. Sorry if the and wrong words. Thank you for time and attention. Stay healthy and safety. Okay, see you and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam
Thank you.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.